Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here. Guess what day it is? It's Free Tool Friday. And up for grabs today is going to be a Spokeshave. It is the Amazon Basics version of the 151, and it is 99% new. I only used it in the demo video that we did. So if you need a Spokeshave, then go in the comments section and type in the word shave with a hashtag. Hashtag shave, SHAVE. And would be nice if you liked the video and you subscribe. And then 1 week from today, I will pick a random winner. I will reply to that said random winner in their comment, and I will leave my email address. You then have to reply to me with your shipping address for the cost of the postage. And this is only available to people within the 48 contiguous, in other words, connected United States. So I decided to part with this tool. I paid for it out of my own pocket because I'm in the process of restoring this one, which is really all I need. I need to paint that. So, Free Tool Friday, hashtag shave in the comments section. I wish you luck. Like, subscribe, and share. Let everybody know I'm giving things away. Walter out.